Let's start by searching GhostJs on Google. Click on the first result. And here we are on the Ghost website. So, you may think to click on Get Started. Well, no. Since we are developers, there is a specific section for us. Let's jump to Resources, then Developers. That's our getting started. Local install will allow us to have a local environment. To have Ghost installed locally, we need to 1. Install the Ghost CLI, and 2. Use the command ghost install local. Let's start by copying the npm install CLI command. Create a Ghost directory and move on it. Paste the command. And finally install Ghost locally. It will take some seconds. Ghost will actually start on a new window. This is the address of our new Ghost blog. Copy it. And paste it in the browser. Here we are. Choose a name and password to log in. And we are done. Congratulations. And see you on next episode.